Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking at 3 more altcoins to buy potentially in the month of December. As we can tell here, the market is pretty much trading flat here. We're only up about 0.3% in the past 24 hours. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Circuits of Value. As you guys can see right here, this coin is up over 56% or so just in the past 24 hours, making a nice little move right there. So, it's kind of like, it looks like a little pump right there on that one actually, in my opinion. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin as usual at 28.4 billion in volume. Ethereum at 18.8 billion in volume. Bitcoin's down 1%. Meanwhile, Ethereum is actually up about 1.7%, and it was up even higher, earlier on in the day. So Ethereum is outperforming again, compared to Bitcoin, and we've been seeing this pictured day in and day out, guys. So here we have some other large cap coins like Binance Coin, which is up 6%. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is down 1%. Let's just look at that once again. Bitcoin is down, but other coins are up. So Binance Coin here at $600. We see Solana up 1.5%. Cardano is up 1% or so. Ripple is up 4.5%. Luna is up over 10%. And Luna, we've been covering a lot on this channel recently. So if you missed out those videos, guys, go ahead and take a look at those videos again. We have Doge the meme and Shiba Inu both pretty much flat, down about 0.5% or so here on Shiba. Avalanche is up 7%. Polygon's up 3%. So even the altcoins here are either trading flat or up or down a few percent depending on which one we're looking at. And then obviously we have the metaverse plays like Decentraland, which is pretty much trading flat here. Same thing with Sandbox. It's pretty much been trading in a range in the past few weeks. Ever since pretty much Thanksgiving, everything's been kind of trading sideways right there in that range. So now let's take a quick look at these crypto bubbles. So the crypto bubbles in the past week looking a little bit better. The red is getting a little bit smaller, and the green one's still looking bad, honestly. We have our top gainer here, GX Chain, up 223%. We have Nulls up 52%. Right here we have Cortex 89.6%. Luna is obviously on this chart right here, 19% or so in the past month or past week right there. 21% on Contentos. And then we have some other, green coins here that are popping out of nowhere right here. So we're seeing a lot of them come up, and, we're going to be watching very closely to see what's going to happen going into the rest of this week. Now, guys, if you enjoy this type of content and you want to see more of this, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video, and I know you guys can do it, so smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you currently buying on your list. So let's get into it. The first altcoin on this list is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Atom here, in the past 24 hours, we're up about 4% almost, trading at $24.36, hitting lows down here of $22 at one point. In the past week, we're down 8% from highs up here of over $36 at one point. So from that $36 range to $22, that is a nice little, pullback right there of about 30 or 40%. In the past month, we are down 33% from highs of close to $37, $38 right there. In the past year, obviously 407% higher, with the all-time high area being right around $41. So last year, this was trading at $5. We continued to hit highs here in January and February, hitting even higher highs. Try to break through again in May. Obviously, the market sold off pretty much and everything came back down. Cosmos went to about $9, even less than $9 at that range. And then we shot on up all the way to 40, so about a 300% gain from July to about here in September. So in a matter of about 2 months, 300% upside that we saw right there with Cosmos. Now we're a little bit on a downtrend, and we're about, let's just say 85% upside potential just to get to the all-time high area. Currently, market cap is at 5.5 billion. Volume is pretty much flat here at 575 million. Typical hold time is going to coin is going to be 36 days. Is ranked the number 25th coin on the list. 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity on Cosmos. So this one is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. Now, how does Atom work? Well, the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. Now, all of these independent blockchains are interconnected by the Inter Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Now, Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. Now, the Cosmos Consensus Engine, IBC protocol, and software developer kit are designed to enable ease of use and interoperability between chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from other leading blockchain platforms, obviously. So this is another coin that a lot of people tend to, stake. Obviously, staking is something that you're going to have to, do your own research on and figure out. It's basically, to give you a little bit short, run on that one. Pretty much, you're locking up your coin and you're going to get a percentage, kind of like interest on your coin in the future. So maybe you'll lock up your coin for a year and you might get like a 2 or 3% return for locking it up. It's pretty much like an interest rate, pretty much, but you have to hold and you can't sell. So it's pretty much only something that I would do if I was a long-term investor into a coin and I believed in it for the next 5, 10, 15 years and didn't really care what was going to happen in the short term no matter what happens. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Second altcoin is going to be Theta. So Theta gang in the building right here, guys. So this one in the past 24 hours is up about 4.88%, trading at $4.82. In the past week, we're down 25%, guys. This was at highs of $6.70, hit lows down here of about $3.96, came back up, and we've been trading in this channel right now. In the past month, this one is down 38% from highs of $8.49 in the past year. We're still up 564%. So last December, this was trading at 70 cents. We continue to, destroy highs here in February, March, April, continue to, push on higher, all the way to highs of almost $16. Pulled back down from $16 all the way to about $3.50, and that's exactly where we bounced off of when we saw the mini crash, about a week ago. So we bounced off of that support level, which is a good sign, obviously. Now we're hoping for it to bounce back up to about $5 or $6 in the short term and potentially push on even higher. But obviously, from those $16 highs, we're about 200% upside there. So, there's still plenty of upside to get back to those ranges, which would bring us to about a 15 billion market cap. Currently, we're at a 4.8 billion market cap. Volume is up 32% higher than usual at 257 million. Theta just continues to, kind of trade in this range for the past few months, but there's obviously always potential for upside, and we're going to be watching Theta very closely in the years to come, especially if we see, a bigger bull run type situation to see how it's going to perform, as most altcoins tend to, run even harder than the large cap coins. So that's going to be our second coin on there. And then our third coin on this list is going to be XRP, also known as Ripple. So a lot of people tend to hate on Ripple or not even mention it or look at it, but I believe that Ripple has a lot of upside potential in the years to come, especially going early into 2022 and beyond that. Hopefully, we'll get all the bad news behind us and things will start to move again. So currently, we're up about 5% here on the past 24 hours, trading at 85 cents. In the past week, this one's down 14% from highs of about $1 almost to lows of 67 cents. So about a 33% drop right there, then came back up a little bit. In the past month, we're down 33% from highs of over $1.35 right there. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up about 45%. So once again, because of bad news, this one kind of, did not do as well in this year. Now, we did hit highs here in April at around $2 or so, pulled back down with the market to about 50 cents, and then bounced on higher up here with over 140% gains to be made. So this coin, underperforming the market because of things that are surrounding, obviously surrounding it. So we're going to be waiting for early 2022 to see how this coin is going to perform. Definitely one that we're going to be watching. It is a larger cap coin, 40 billion market cap, 3.1 billion in volume, 21% higher than usual. XRP is a cryptocurrency used by the Ripple payment network. Built for enterprise use, XRP aims to be, fast, cost-efficient cryptocurrency for cross-border payment. What is Ripple? Well, this one is a cryptocurrency used by the XRP ledger, which supports the international currency exchange and remittances. Now, XRP can function as a bridge currency in transactions involving different currencies such as US dollars, Japanese yen, euros, francs, and others on the XRP network. So it does many different things, guys. So, and this one, I believe once all the legal things go behind it, and hopefully early 2022, I believe that Ripple will have a bullish run. Obviously, as long as we have good news come out with that. So we're going to be watching XRP very closely coming up into the next year. So those are the three altcoins. Now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market, guys. First of all, Solana, like we always look at it, right under that, it's around that $190 range, and we said that around the 185 to 190 range is kind of like the support that we keep bouncing off of, a lot recently. So Solana's right around that range. We're going to be seeing if it's going to go up or down, obviously now. Then we have the meme coins, like we said, Shiba and Doge. Doge trading in that, range. A lot of people believe that it's going to bounce off and, kind of come back into the 20-24 cents area where it's pretty much been trading for half of the year, more than half of the year. So we're going to be watching that very closely. If we see a bearish type of market, I would not be surprised to see Doge go even lower, potentially even under 10 cents at some point. Like we said, the metaverse coins, they're all pretty much trading flat or trading sideways in the recent weeks. Then we have Bitcoin here. It kind of had a little drop here on actually on Wednesday, came back up, and then traded off here into Thursday morning. right around 49,000. In the past week, this one's down 13%. Past month, we're down 26%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're only up 167%. And I say only because for cryptocurrency, that is a lower, return in my opinion. So currently 939 billion market cap. The market cap keeps on dropping here or staying steadily around that range. 31% of the crypto market space, 28.4 billion in volume right there. We can see 68% buy activity and 32% sell activity on Bitcoin. Then, the one that's interesting to me, Ethereum, guys. So Ethereum continues to do very well, up about 2% here in the past 24 hours, trading right around 4,400, hitting highs at one point at almost 4,500. So it's right there at all-time highs almost. We can see this range. It's getting higher and higher. The lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher after this, little pullback that we saw. In the past month, we're down 9% from highs of about 4,800. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up 662%. That's about a 4.5 to 5x, higher than Bitcoin. So very nice performance on Ethereum in 2021. 518.4 billion in market cap right there. So it's only about 400 billion away from Bitcoin closing that gap. 17% of the crypto market space, 18.8 billion in volume, down about 13%. 62% buy activity and 38% sell activity on Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, I'm a huge fan, and I believe that eventually we will see that flipping happen. And don't be surprised if it happens sooner than we expect it, because that's pretty much how the market rolls. So I would not be surprised if Bitcoin starts to have a little bit of a downtrend going into the end of the year, and Ethereum continue to stay on higher. That would be beautiful in my opinion. And if we can see Ethereum reach $5,000 by the end of 2021, that would be great. Around Christmas time, I think we're going to be seeing a lot of different price movements going on. So we're going to be watching very closely coming into Christmas. So you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think is going to happen by the end of the year and going into the next year. As always, smash that like button. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. As always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.